Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I've been told my chocolate chip cookies are the best ever. With foil decor, I can bring them everywhere with me in style because presentation is everything. I just love the size of this pan, 9 by 13 by 2, and it fits all of my 70 cookies just perfectly. And it keeps them protected. All I have to do is just snap the lid in place and I'm good to go. This is also a good carrier for hot meals, taking them to parties. It definitely catches the eyes of all the guests. And I was really happy that it kept my vegetables warm for the meal. And I just love the size of it because I was able to serve 9 people with this size pan. And it looks so beautiful. And I love that I'm able to just throw it in the dishwasher and it comes out nice and clean for my next meal. So just remember, presentation is everything. Bring your dish in style with foil decor. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.